recipe, I have my cornstarch, my flour, and my seasoned salt in my bowl. I'm gonna take my chicken, dip it in my egg, then I'm gonna coat it in my flour mixture. Make sure it's well coated. Then I put them on a plate and spray one side really well with cooking spray. Then place the cooking side spray upside down in your air fryer. Then we're going to spray the other side with cooking spray. All right, if you want to make sure your chicken is done, just put in a meat thermometer and it needs to be 165 degrees. Mine's done. We're going to put it on our plate. We have yummy chicken nuggets.